All right, folks, welcome back. Box number 5. It's getting down to it. So, usually, if I haven't gotten my showcase by now, I don't expect it. So, that makes me a little sad, but that's fine. That is fine. Maybe I'll get one in my next case coming, hopefully Wednesday, possibly on Friday. But let's get to it. Here's hoping for more than 3 legendaries, but definitely no less than 2 or 3. More than 3, no less than 3. Preferably 5. I would love to see 6. I'll take a 2 legendary box if you give me a showcase, that's for sure. Because you can't complain on that. I mean, you can, but why would you? Hyperspace full back there. Is it a legendary? Nope. Just a common. Just a lonely little common. Cracking through these now. Been sitting here too long, so definitely want to be done with the case. Hyperspace foil. Is it a legendary? I say no, it's common. Oh, it's not. It is a legendary. So that's 2 in the case. I'll take it. Hells yeah. I think I got this. If I remember correctly, Evacuate's the one I've already gotten in regular, in hyperspace, and now in hyperspace full. So I'm literally only missing the regular foil for it. I'll take it. Starting off great. Love it when we can get some legendaries early on. Makes me less nervous when we're like halfway down to the box and you're only on, or you're on 0, or maybe it's just 1, and it's like, wow, it's gonna be a shitty box. Because we love legendaries. Alright. Unfortunately, like I've stated before, and you can see, they definitely got curlier. Second set got a perm. Because these things are curling like crazy. I didn't notice that in the first set. Ooh. That's my 4th Ray. Jeez. Getting annoying. I'm sick of seeing her. Ready for a new lady in my life. Or a man. I don't mind. As long as it's a good legendary. But 2 legendaries so far, so not too bad, not too bad. Oh, did I see something sexy back there? I don't know. I don't think so. My mind's playing tricks on me. Yeah, it's still double rare legend, or double rare pack, so. Well, that's not bad. A 1 cost, 2 to damage, and on attack, deal 2 damage to players defending base. Oh shit. It's pretty good. Double rare pack. Gotten a few of those, so that's always good. Ooh, did you hear that? I don't know what it is. It'll scare you. That was my 8+ foot boa constrictor. She's hungry and you're on her menu. Nah. She prefers big rodents or rabbits. Oh, DJ. What do DJs even do? Do. So I'm looking for a new. I wonder if I've got them all. Because I don't know all the legendaries, so probably not, obviously. But so it'd be nice to get a new one. Come on, give me a new legendary that I haven't gotten yet. Or not. Upside down. What the hell's going on? What are you doing? You're gonna make yourself dizzy. Palpatine's return. So double rare, triple rare, double rare. Six packs with this one. Okay, it's like the fourth one I've gotten. Not what I was asking for. I said new legendary, but I'm okay with it. Full packs. And hyperspace full. Please be a legendary. Although at this point I don't think so, because nope. Sparkle Watchers unit in your discard pile. If it was defeated this phase, put it in to play as a resource. That's not bad. More ramp for green. Because it needs more ramp. Rancor. All right, 2 packs, I think, right? 2 packs. I don't expect much. I already got 4 legendaries. One of them, obviously, hyperspace foil, so. Double rare pack, though. Take it. Take it. Ooh, double rare pack. Is it a legendary though? Is it a legendary? Nope. Is it a triple rare? Triple rare pack? Nope. That's sexy record, though. That's sexy looking record. All right, folks. That's box number 5 with 4 legendaries. Some of the same stuff over again in every single one of these, but hey, Hyperspace Foil legendary. You can't complain. All right. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. Have yourself a wonderful rest of your day, and go play some Star Wars or some Sorcery or Lorcana or any other TCG that you enjoy, because it's a lot of fun, folks. Get out of the house, play something. All right, thanks for watching. I do appreciate you. Thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe if you haven't, or don't. It's okay. Love you guys.